This step is about understanding how you and your new manager will get the best from each other, what you are walking into, and how your team is performing. Firstly, set up a meeting with your line manager and give yourself some time to prepare for it. In the meantime, watch the video How to Make Your Performance Chats Easy Every Time. The top box includes some questions to help you prepare for the meeting. It's your opportunity to set the frame for what you want from your manager, to understand their expectations of you, and crucially agree on how you let each other know when it's not working. The middle box will help you to fact-find and understand the context of why you've been hired. Are you following someone who has left or got fired due to poor performance? Has your predecessor been promoted, or, less commonly, is it a brand new team? Your goal here is to establish what you are walking into. If you are following someone successful, find out what made them successful. You could reach out to the person you're replacing, talk to the team, and, of course, talk to your boss. If someone left under a cloud, you will want to speak to your boss to understand what challenges, issues, or problems led to the change. If it's a new team, discover why it has been created, what is expected, and when. Now, in the bottom box, gather the facts about your team, including what goals they are working towards and how they are performing. Are their goals aligned with your and your team's expectations as defined by your manager? Is there congruence between what the team is working on and what you are working to? If not, then you will need to redefine their goals.